are more than men. We sirs are geeks.
Hey everybody, and welcome to another edition of The Sports Geek. I am The Sports Geek. This is the Sports Geeks Radio Network, SGRN. Oh wait, no. We are SGRN. But this is for you guys. This is for you guys over there in regards to the Vegas Tech Fun. Hey guys, we're the Sports Geeks. I'm the geek himself. They call me Chris Carter in real life. But I started a small internet company called Sports Geeks Radio Network. Sports Geeks Radio Network. We have 36 current web entities. We are growing by leaps and bounds. We provide fun, energetic, upbeat, positive sports talk. We are always trying to expand our markets. We're looking to do new things. And we want to join you guys. We want to join the Downtown Vegas Project. We want to be a part of the group. We want to be the voice. So not only do we do sports, we do, of course, fun, eclectic music. We have bumper music. We have in-studio guests from all over the world. Literally. Sasha and his team is in Czechoslovakia. We've got folks that do some of our songs and some of our bumpers and music from Sweden, from all over the United States. Independence here in Wisconsin. I'm currently in my palatial estate here in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. You can see over my shoulder. That shoulder. See all my sports stuff? See all the sports stuff we have here? We want to take over and be your radio entity. We want to broadcast. We want to bring in the groups. We want to bring in and help the downtown area. We go out to Vegas at least once a quarter to do sports activities. We love Vegas. But we don't have to have everybody there. We can bring in people from the community. We can have people who have a passion, an absolute passion for that area. Be on our shows. Be as part of our shows. And that's what we want to do. We want to provide that. We're providing it now. We're looking to be a part of your group. Be a part of promoting your teams. Be a part of promoting what they're doing. Getting it out there. Showing the world what everybody can do. It's only a short little 2-minute video. I hope you see and understand the passion that we have. We can be there tomorrow. We can literally pick up this office, bring it in, go down to the local St. Vincent de Paul, bring in desks, bring in the stuff that we have. We'd have to bring all these computers and everything and all these microphones and all these keyboards and all this funky stuff that we have here, but that can all be packed up, put into the Road Warrior Chevy Suburban and brought in and promote throughout the world the goodness that is the Sports Geeks Radio Network. Find us, check us out, Sports Geeks Radio Network, SGRN. You can go to Sports Geeks USA, which is our main page. Then you can go to Milwaukee, Chicago, Detroit, New York, LA, Las Vegas, all the different Sports Geeks radio websites, and see what we're doing, how we're doing it, how we're adding data. We want to join you guys. I'm asking you to bring us in. Thanks, everybody. We're looking forward to it, and we'll see you soon because I'm going to come out there, and I want to see you and hang out for a couple days. Thanks, everybody. Talk to you later.
We are more than men. We sirs are geeks.